I can finally see myself. Can I? Ngayon ko lang nakita ang mirror pero kaso kailangan ko siyang iwanan. Oh, I guess gonna follow.
That's nothing.
No, we're gonna follow him because we might get chased. Oh damn! Oh damn! Sparata. Oh, he warned us. Oh, hell no. Ayun yung nag-chase sa akin, diba dang? Ayun yung nag-chase sa akin. Oh. Mirror, what a such a beautiful face I have.
Dali na, doon na tayo. Baka mawala pa tayo.
Tapos bigla siya nag-high, no? Oh, Sprout.
Sprout.
Oh, nag-react ako na mabilis. Me running so fast. Dead end, dead end. Dead end, dead end. Not again. Not again. Not again. Not again. Not again. Oh. Why me? Why I am the target? Is the ghost hate me?
Yeah, the ghost loves your hair so much.
I don't have a hair.
Yeah, but you are colorful. But
I think he wants to eat my hair.
Yeah, you are colorful.
Oh no. Oh no, I'm lost. I'm lost.
Oh, there you go. Come on.
I'll follow him, I guess. Wait. That acts different. Ba't na mas mabilis siya sa akin? Mas mabilis siya sa akin. And he acts a little bit different.
LSD na yun eh. LSD power. Kaya wala no. Pinatawan mo.
Ba't parang mas mabilis siya sa akin?
Kasi hindi ikaw mabilis.
I knew it!
na yun eh. Hindi yun, man. Kaya huwag mo tayong following.
Oh no, dead end. Dead end.
Ako.